Hello children, I Mr. Gogo is here to take you on a journey to learn. Is everyone ready to go on this exciting journey to learn multiplication? In the previous class, we have already come across with the multiplication of numbers having 2-digit, 3-digit or others. Now, we are going to learn multiplication of numbers having 4 digits and more. Are you ready? Let's count. Multiplication table. Multiplication tables in Standard 2, we learnt multiplication tables of numbers from 1 to 10, and in Standard 3, we learnt multiplication tables of numbers from 11 to 20. Now going forward we need to revise it once. How can we multiply large numbers using different methods? Properties of multiplication. The product of two numbers does not change even if the order of the multiplying numbers is changed. A. 6 times 5 equals 30 and 5 times 6 equals 30. 6 times 5 equals 5 times 6. B. 3240 times 12 equals 12 times 30 to 40. So even if I write 6 times 5 as 5 times 6, the answer will be same, that is 30. Secondly, if the numbers are multiplied by grouping them in different ways, their product does not change. A. 3 times 4 times 2 is equal to 3 times 4 times 2 is equal to 24. B. 6 times 7 times 5 is equal to 6 times 5 times 7 is equal to 210. Look at the example. A. I first put the brackets for 3 times 4 and then for 4 times 2, but still the answer is same. The product of a number multiplied by 1 is the number itself. A. 72 times 1 equals 72. B. 85 times 1 equals 85. C. 1 times 5112 equals 5112. Just like how we recite table, 2 times 1 equals 2, 3 times 1 equals 3. The product of 0 and any other number is always 0. A. 0 times 5 equals 0. 5 times 0 equals 0. B. 1000 times 0 is equal to 0. 0 times 1000 equals 0. Multiplication by a 3-digit number. The method of multiplication by a 3-digit number is the same as the multiplication by a 2-digit number. Example 1. Multiply 528 by 145. Multiplication of numbers ending with 0. Multiplication of numbers ending with Z. Multiplication by 10, 100 or 1000. To multiply a given number by 10, 100 or 1000, we put 1 or 2 or 3 zeros respectively to the right of the given number and we get the product. For example, 45 times 10 equals 450. 45 times 100 equals 4500. 45 times 1000 equals 45,000. 561 times 10 equals 5610. 561 times 100 equals 56,100. 561 times 1000 equals 5,61,000. Multiplication by multiples of 10, 100 or 1000. Look at the following multiplications. A. 45 times 20 is equal to 45 times 2 times 10 is equal to 45 times 2 times 10 is equal to 90 times 10 is equal to 900. B. 561 times 90 equals 561 times 9 times 10 is equal to 561 times 9 times 10 is equal to 50. 49 times 10 is equal to 50,490. From the above examples, we observe that when we multiply a number by 20, 90, 300, 400, 7,000, we multiply the number by 1, 2, 3, 9 and then put 1 or 2 or 3 zeros as asked in the question on the right side of the product. Example 3. Multiply 525 by 5,000. Solution: 525 times 5 times 1000 is equal to 2625 times 1000. Here just multiply with 1 and then put the provided zeros in the question is equal to 26,25,000. Word problems on multiplication. Example: suppose if the production of a factory is 516 soaps per day. How many soaps will be produced in 247 days in the factory? Solution: production in 1 day is equal to 516. Production in 247 days is equal to 516 times 247 is equal to 1,27,452. Place the number in ones, hundreds and thousands. Place value just like this: 516 times 247, 3612, 20640, 103200, 127452. The production in 247 days is equal to 1,27,452 soaps.